welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I'm going to tell you all about the herb chickweed, and here is a pretty little pot of it. Chickweed has some truly amazing medicinal benefits. Not only are the leaves and flowers edible, but they contain over 80 times more iron than spinach. So if your iron is low and you're a vegan, this is a very good option for you. And even if you're not a vegan, you guys, adding in some chickweed into your diet is going to benefit your health. I make both an infused oil and a tincture with chickweed, and up here I'll put a link on how to make a salve. It goes through how to make an infused oil. Later on we'll talk about the tinctures, but first I want to tell you about the health benefits of using a chickweed salve. This little herb is amazing for drawing infection out of your skin. So this works for rashes, boils, acne, wounds, and things like that. Now let's hop over to the medicinal benefits of a tincture. I will link a basic tincture recipe up here for you. I also have a very fascinating testimony on the chickweed tincture, so stay tuned to the end and I will tell you my own personal experience. This herb here is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral. Some studies have shown very promising results in treating hepatitis B with a chickweed tincture. Chickweed is also antioxidant, so if you're looking to get rid of those free radicals floating around in your bloodstream, you might want to consider taking this. Chickweed is also good for asthma and bronchial issues, coughs and things like that. Just keep in mind if you take it for that purpose, it does it works as an expectorant. Chickweed is also pretty good for allergies because it does reduce that histamine response. Many studies have shown that chickweed is also really good for tumors and cysts. Now, when it comes to ovarian cysts, it is recommended that you take it in conjunction with a motherwort tincture. The typical dosage for a chickweed tincture would be 1 dropper full 3 times per day. And to reward your patience for listening to this video about my happy little plant, I'm going to tell you my story about how chickweed tincture fixed my face. I had a growth on my face right here. It was not a mole and it was not a wart. I don't know exactly what it was, but it was some kind of raised red skin growth. I didn't have it tested or anything, so I don't know exactly what it was, but I know what warts and moles look like, and that wasn't it. What I did was I scored that little spot on my face with something sharp just to open the skin up a little bit. Then I applied the chickweed tincture to a cotton ball and I applied it to my face for 30 minutes a day until it was completely healed. It took about a week, maybe 7 days, right? That's a week. And it was completely gone. You guys, and it's never grown back. Moral of the story is chickweed is amazing for your skin, but it's also good for so many other things. And before we go, you can also dry this and use it as a tea. So if you didn't want to consume an alcohol tincture, you could just dry this and then make a tea. You could even do it with it fresh if you wanted to, but if you dry it, then you'll have it year round, since springtime is usually only when you can find chickweed, unless you grow it in pots like me, and sometimes you can keep it year round. There is more to know about chickweed, but that's all I'm going to share with you for today because I need to get outside. I hope this information was helpful and at least get you a little bit excited about an additional medicinal herb to add to your cabinet. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I will get back to you for sure, and please consider becoming a member to help support the work that I do. If becoming a member isn't really your jam, please go down to the description box, check out my Etsy shop where I have tons and tons of products from these herbs that I grow right here on my property. I will see you guys next time.